Hi, this is Lyndon again. We're in the Lou Eller's body shop in the paint department. Now that the repairs have been completed, all of the panels have been replaced, and the caulking has been done, it's time to primer the vehicle. This is very important. This is where the repairs were done on this vehicle, and the primer has been applied, and once it's applied, it's very rough. So now it has to be color sanded. Color sanding is done with very, very fine sandpaper. This particular one is 800 grit, and it's done with water, so it's a wet sand. Put on a sanding block as such, and then it's done very lightly, just to make the surface just smooth as silk again. Now, during the sanding process, some of the metal may show through, and you might have to re-primer that area and re-block and sand. Once your primer is in place, you now have a well-protected metal panel against corrosion. The next thing you want to do is prepare the adjacent panels or the rest of the panel for painting. So this whole area is going to be painted that you see, but you may notice that it's been roughed up and sanded because we're going to put a new coat of a new coat of paint on top of this existing coat. So you have, this car is totally prepped. All the handles have been taken off. All the moldings have been removed. And the masking paper has been applied in all the appropriate places. You don't want to touch this car because there's oil in your fingertips that will transfer onto this paint, and it will not let the paint adhere where your fingers were. So prior to this going in the booth, there's one final wipe down with a special solvent, and off it goes to get color on it.